how to remove Wix site from Google and other search engines. So what we need to do is just log into our Wix account, and here from the left hand side we'll scroll down until we see the option for settings. Click on settings, and now we need to find the SEO settings. It's right here. Just click on SEO settings and it should load a page like this. If we scroll down a little bit, you will see the section set site preferences. Let search engines index your site, and basically it will have been toggled on. So if we try to untoggle this, it's going to show us this pop-up message: your site won't appear in search results. This will add a non-index tag, so on and so forth. So you won't get any traffic from search engines like Google. Are you sure you want to continue? If we click on hide site, this is going to remove our Wix website from Google, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.